So welcome back again to my channel practice. So today we're gonna do a little bit simpler than what we usually do in 6Q. Yeah, it's still kind of struggle a little bit for a 6Q, so kind of move up a little bit to make your brain start that working. Okay, the fuse function. So there's part 2 obviously. Oh god, didn't mean to do that. So it has 4 rows, and there's if this thing it has to return 0, the one it says to return 1, but this one, okay, have to return the n. This one have to return. Okay, so obviously that you can see from here, and this should be an even number only, right? So this I'm gonna mark it's for even number, and plus 1 it is gonna be for an odd number. And here's an example: 5, a 10, we got 5, and then we got 2 and 3. 2 got 1, and 3 got 2, and some of them are 3. Okay, let's do that. I actually have done this before, so it's gonna be play some, I don't know. So we're gonna do the first 2 rows here. If n equals 0 or n equal 1, we're gonna return itself. That means whatever it's whether it's 0 or 1, it's gonna still return that number. We're gonna check if n it's even. So in this case, if you don't know this thing, you use a percent sign here, it's gonna return you a reminder from a dividend, just so you know. So there's a function here. Okay, so I believe that we should get our quotient and a reminder. So there's no need for a reminder, but just put it here. Take mod of n mod by 2. So if it's 0, that means it's even. If it's if the reminder is 1, that means it's a odd number. So we're gonna return exact same thing here. Exact same. Let's give fusc. Okay, we're gonna return. We are gonna return n. We're gonna return quotient because we want that n. That n. So that is the no n. So else we will have to return fuse of n plus 1. So that means actually we can have the reminder here. So that means we still have to plus 1 to be exact equal, and that's make it easier for us. So we're passing in there as a fuse plus a quotient plus 1. Oh sorry, just bought it. Okay, nothing too fancy here. Hope you get it. So we're gonna get a quotient and a reminder from a method here. We're gonna do divided by 2, so we should get a quotient and a reminder. And we first thing first, we're gonna check whether it's 0 or 1. If it's any of those, it has to return whether it's 0 or 1. And if it's even more, we're gonna link it to this thing. So we want to find something that can multiply by 2 and be exact same thing, and it's gonna be our quotient here, same as the fourth laws here. So we'll test it, and we should test it. And here we go. 508 milliseconds wasn't too bad. Hope you like it. Thank you. Please consider subscribe.